So I have a lot of slides in this app called Slide, Virtual Slide. So I'm gonna play with all of them, react to the videos, etc. Ooh, those cracks are hard. I literally love this because of the crunches. This is perfect, like, ASMR stuff. So let's go ahead and move on to our next one. Why does that gotta be an ad? No, I don't want to do this. Okay, let's go ahead and do the spooky scary skeletons. Yeah, I'm not great at singing. Whoa. Alright, this is like very cool. I think we should like check out what this is. Okay, so this one my brother actually made at like the store or something. So I'm gonna link his channel in the description.
Damn it. Guys, that was serious.
I'm so sorry for the bad word. So sorry. Now it makes no noise. But this will make noise. I don't know if it makes noise for you, but it's not for me. Like, it's doing nothing. And also this one, it's like, this like Distressed one was inspired by Pizza Babies, which I'll also link in the description. So, trying to be like, what was I saying? I need to get like actually walking. Okay. Okay, I do not love Okay, let's do this one. A lot of these were inspired by Pizza Babies, which once again I'll link in the description. Ooh, Church of the Holy Heavens. I love this one. This one's personally one of my favorites, especially because of the crunches like that it made. It's just overall. I swear I do not want to do anything. I hate my life. Okay. Sussing it up. This was, a lot of these were inspired by Pizza Babies, which I'll still link in the description. I do not know why I'm actually saying all those stuff. Okay. Slime Snot. Dude, I don't know why, but every single one has to be based on something. Okay, it has to be based on something. Yeah, I'm not playing that video. I'm not playing that game, but I will in the future. I will in the future. Ocean slime. I do not want to make an ocean slime. I do not want to make an ocean slime. Yeah, not the best at singing again. Okay, Bing Lou Clank. Ooh, this one I tried to replace with Big Zoo. I just couldn't find Big Zoo, so I just replaced it with that. Ooh, this one's... I think you already know what I'm about to say. This one's inspired by Peach Babies again. I do not know why that is necessary, but this is the last one that we're actually gonna like play with. Great. Warning, just too much ads. But honestly, I'm just playing the game because why not? Why not? Just play the game I was playing earlier. I'm not gonna touch him. Over 12 years old, or just 12? Jeez, okay. Now it's time to react to these videos. Let's react to all this ones. Ooh, crunchiness. I'm just gonna let there be ASMR all around the place. So I'm gonna be quiet from now on.
Those fake ads really drive you mad. The game looks so fun in the ads, but when you download it, it's totally different game. That's crazy, right? But today, I finally found a game that is exactly the same as it's shown in the ads. It's challenging and interesting. Don't you believe me? Alright, let me show you. I'm going to save this family. Oh, wrong move. Oh no, too little money. I will help this girl. This puzzle is easy. Oh no, I made a mistake. I will fix that. Oops, I'm in too much of a hurry. This is a failure. New minigame. New chance. Show your intelligence. Open locked doors. Help to restore justice. Don't let them freeze. Save them from thirst. It really takes some wisdom to pull this off. Come and challenge together with me.
Gardenscapes. Choose the next level.
But I'm gonna have to talk because I do not want to be interrupted by ads. I do not care. Honestly, though, I do not care about this Gardenscapes game. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, but that's gonna be all I have to do. But I will give you a little bit of some cool stuff. So I'm gonna open 2 gifts, and I'm gonna let you play with it, or at least the ASMR, or just make go home. I'm just gonna play with it while talking. Sorry. And of course, there's gonna be that. Just listening to what? That blue? That time travels too fastly, and also it won't end up like that. So all of these ads do not download. If you've already downloaded, just delete it all immediately, other than YouTube. Because that's the thing you're on right now. All the other stuff you can delete other than Roblox. Because Roblox is life. It literally says butter. I want Bing Zoo. But luckily I do have a Bing Zoo. It's right here. And also my brother curated like this new minigame. Where like you have to mess up a shape and like do this. It's really funny in real life. So I think the only reason why I should download this app is to try that out.